Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the DIGITEK lightweight DV tripod. You can see from the picture on the box what the tripod, the Gorilla tripod, is supposed to look like. This is a Gorilla tripod, which means you can use these stands to clamp around almost any object. The model number for this particular tripod is DTR260GT. There is a mobile phone holder and Bluetooth remote also included in the pack, and it's written over here. There you can see. What other information? Portable, stable and compact. It's written over here. This particular box comes with a head with adjustable pan. This Gorillapod has steady plastic legs. There's a mobile phone holder and a Bluetooth remote to click photos as well. Some more information here. Maximum load is 1 kilos. This is not ideal for your DSLR cameras. Maximum height is 240 millimeters. Folded height is 260 millimeters. Weight at 0.149 kgs. It's pretty light. And there are 10 sections to it, and it's made out of plastic. There you can see it. That's more or less all the specifications of this Gorilla tripod. Let's open this box and see what this actually looks like. So this is what we find inside the box containing the DIGITEK lightweight DV tripod. This is a smartphone holder. There you can see a smartphone mount and a smartphone holder. This is a Bluetooth remote for taking photos. I'll keep it here. And this is the Gorilla tripod in question. There are 10 sections, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sections. And the idea of a Gorilla tripod is that you can twist the stands in any shape or configuration that you like, and you can use it to clamp around any surface. So this is the head right here. I'm going to mount this particular. Okay, so one thing about the smartphone holder is that there are two screw mounts here. There's one over here and one over here. So basically you can use it in a vertical and horizontal manner. I'm going to screw it in like this, and I'll try. And I'll put my smartphone in on it to give you an example of what's this supposed to look like. And there you are. Yeah, and that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the DIGITEK lightweight DV tripod. Thank you for watching.